trash? Oh my god. Here we go. Alright. I need fucking 6 headshots. Dude, why is it so... Caught your ass. Okay, what? What is this baby back bullshit? Ooh. Damn it. Why the fuck is my mic on? Oh shit!
Friendly airstrike on the way. Enemy UAV is airborne.
Bro, behind you.
Our UAV is online.
Oh my god. The agility in this game is unrivaled.
Win this one. Keep up the fire.
What? How close are we? One. Sorry, pipeline sucks. Yay! Get one more hit marker, dude. Fucking piece of shit, get out of here. Charging me like that. I'm sorry. That. Nope.
Our UAV is online. UAV recon.
Oh yeah. Oh, I would have fucked him up good too. I fucking hate this guy, dude.
Airstrike standing by.
Ooh, this table was about to get destroyed. Damn it! I didn't get to call it in. I got into this argument last night. It wasn't an argument, but it was more like a conversation about, do teeth have a taste? Think about it. Okay. First of all, you can ask yourself, do bones have a taste? And if that's the case, then yes, teeth have a fucking taste. Oh shit. I'm gonna die. Yikes! Oh, God. Okay, yeah, I was not looking down there. Hey, buddy. You just gonna let me die like that? Okay. That's twice in a row, you motherfucker.
We've taken the lead. UAV recon standing by.
Fuck.
Airstrike standing by.
Oh, mother... Ooh, I'm about to whoop your ass. It's not nice to flash people, okay? Oh, he's right on top of my dick.
Helicopter support standing by. Our UAV is online.
Slick just went off on these hoes.
Our UAV is online.
That felt unrealistically
Enemy
unfair.
UAV is airborne. Friendly airstrike on the way.
Damn!
Friendly airstrike on the way. Our UAV is online.
Hey, what the fuck, man?
Friendly airstrike on the way.
Why? Ah, you bitch. Hello? Ooh.
Enemy UAV is airborne.
Oh fuck. Wait, really? Are you fucking serious? Die. Huh? Oh, okay. Y'all doing some Matrix type shit. Staircase. Staircase. Staircase, man. Fuck. I can't even hit a watermelon.
Team deathmatch.
Who put a fucking ACOG on my gun? Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm not trying to get bog walled. Fuck that. What the fuck is it? I guess I'll go fuck myself.